Alright, welcome back, y'all. She's shining. She's shining. Okay, so today is hair wash day. I'm sitting in my daughter's room because I will also be washing her hair. But something I've not done on my channel before is a length check. So guess what? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see how long, ooh, my filthy hair is. It's so dirty. Oh, gee. Okay, let's see how long it is real quick. Very quick. My last trim was November and December. I got 2 trims back to back in 2021. So November 2021 and December 2021. Here is the front or the bang. No tape measures or anything like that because why? Nope, not me. But thank you for coming. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button, I appreciate it. This is the temple. Oh, I should have wore a lighter colored shirt. This is the other side. Ooh, it's really dirty, y'all. I can't tell you the last time I washed my hair, I don't know. And I have been wearing it up in a puff. And so this is where we are right now. Okay, this is the other side. We'll do the back. Ooh, that's just gonna have to stay chunky, I guess. Let's see. I don't think it's long enough yet for me to do one of those turn around and let you see and then put my hand behind my back and all that jazz. So we'll do this. Still kind of hard to see. And we'll do the top, I guess. That's a large piece. Ooh, it's dirty. And I don't know if I can. Oh. There we go. All right. So very quickly, that is where we are. I am contemplating straightening my hair so that I can trim my ends, considering it's coming up on another year since they've been trimmed. But if I don't, I will instead plug in a video of my daughter, because I will be trimming her hair today. So we're gonna get her detangled here. I guess I can do another video and show you exactly what we're gonna be using to get her hair detangled. Then we will wash it using some Mielle Organics, and we'll blow it out, flatten it up, flat iron it. We'll blow it out, flat iron it, and then get it trimmed. I already told her after that she can do whatever it is that she'd like with it. The main goal today is to make sure that it's healthy because it has been tucked away for quite some time. Oh, you know what? I didn't do this side, did I? This is my trouble side. I was taking out some hair, got frustrated, was impatient, and then cut it so it is not as thick as the other side. Okay. So about right there-ish. Let's do a comparison real quick. Let's see if the other side is longer than this one or not. Yeah, I really wore the wrong thing. I should have wore something white, but nah, they're pretty much about even. Look, when I'm doing this length check, it makes me feel like my neck is so long. Like, yeah, my hair should be longer than that by now. Come on here. Grow on up. Grow on up. Need you to get some maturity now. Come on here. But anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Remember to make good decisions. Hold yourself accountable for those decisions. Take care of yourself. Peace.